everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to show you something super fun, how to transform your photo so you look younger or older using Gemini AI with the Nano Banana tools. You will see how easy it is to go from baby face to grandpa mood in just a few taps. Okay, let's get started. First, just open Google Gemini app, or you can open it on your browser, and then just tap on create images. This will unlock the photo editing feature that we need. You can edit any photo by just typing a prompt, and then just upload the photo that you want to edit. Just tap on plus button and then upload files. It could be a selfie or any clear portrait photo. And then let's try by making our photo look much younger. Just type a prompt something like this. For example like this, and then just tap on generate. And okay, like this, in just a few seconds you will see your photo transform into a cute younger versions of yourself, and it's so cute, really amazing, right? Next, let's try the opposite, making yourself look older. This time I will type a prompt like this. For example like this. And okay, like this, just like that, your photo shows what you might look like 20 or 30 years from now. And it's a little shocking but super fun to try. You can definitely play around with this, like compare your baby looks and your own side by sides, or even share it with your friends for some love. And okay, that's it. That's how you can instantly make yourself look younger or older using Gemini AI with Nano Banana. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.